southeastern Illinois, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:30 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oswego to near Minooka, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Frankfort, Channahon, Minooka, Crest Hill, Shorewood, Manhattan, Ingalls Park, Elwood, Preston Heights, Fairmont, Rockdale, and Crystal Lawns. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.